Hey everyone. So we're gonna do an unboxing of this paraffin wax kit that I'm gonna be adding to my deluxe service. This goes with the steamer that I bought and the hot rocks. So that's part of my deluxe spa. So let's open it, and it's Watney, 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 I believe, is the company that it's from, and it came in a pink box, but I ordered the green one. But it all comes with these pink stuff. I believe these are for the feet. These are the feet one, feet cloth mat. But of course, I'm not going to be using this for my client. Let me pull my chair back and actually pull this out the way so you guys can see everything clearly. So it comes with the mitten, with the foot mitts, which I won't be using on my clients because of sanitation reasons, of course. Because I'm not going to be washing these all the time after every client or purchasing more just for that. And these are the hand ones. I can show you how the hand ones look. They're soft, real terry soft. They're terry cloth, of course. Real soft knit. Okay. This one is supposed to have more than comes with the manual. Where, because it's supposed to come with some clear gloves and things like that. But this is the machine, how it looks. The cord. Let's see how long the cord is. For you guys who do pedicures at home, this is a great investment to, so the cord isn't too long. But it's a good investment when you're adding to your services. Let's take the lid off. Oh, where's the P? Maybe okay, maybe it's in here. So I'm not gonna get my panties in a bunch. Maybe the little handle part is inside here. So this come with 100 disposable plastic gloves. This is the feet one, 100 of these as well. Oh, here's the lid, the top to it right here. And it comes with the wax. So let's see what smell it is. It does not say what smell. Three of those. Three of these. All these are 200 grams. So you get 1,200 grams of wax. You get a spatula and a brush, which I won't be using on my clients at all because in school we learn to melt the wax, put the mat, and I won't be using the gloves either. But I'll just be using the foot one, and I probably want to buy the other bags as well, the bigger bags, because we learned in school to put them in the bag and then kind of juggle them and then put it on the client's foot versus using these. So I may buy the clear bags for it. But for now, I'm going to use those until I get the clear bags. And this is the little piece that sits in there for people who allow people to put their hands in the wax or their foot in the wax. That's not for me. I'm not doing that because you have to dump out everything, sanitize, well, clean, and then disinfect everything. So no, I'm not doing that. Got a little. It looks like it's been used, or just probably some wax that just spilled over in it. But this is it, y'all. Y'all know this is my favorite color. I love mint green, teal, turquoise. I love any like bluish, greenish, minty, not minty, but same color. Uh oh, slow it down. Okay, and this is LED touchscreen. So let me move these out the way so I can turn it on so you guys can see how it is. Give me one moment to plug it in. So this is plugged in. As soon as I plug it in, this is off. Okay. Hold it. Yeah, I might do something wrong. Maybe. Yeah, I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or what. So it only has two modes on it. I don't know. Yeah, I'm confused. Um, okay, what is this light shut? Let's see if it goes down. No, on. Okay, turn it off. See if it starts going. I'm confused, y'all. I don't know. Um, but this is it. I'm gonna most likely be unplugging it since I'm not seeing it shut off on its own. Because I'm not trying to have any hazards or anything going on in my sleep. So that's it, you guys. And it I that's not a comparison, but that is it. And I paid 55 for this. Let me show you here, you guys. 55 off of Amazon. But I'm gonna go make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll tell y'all how it works and if I figure out this off and on thing. Bye.